Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how I deep condition my hair to get my curls back popping. I'm going to start off with a hot oil treatment using olive oil. I warm the oil up for 30 seconds and I'm going to massage that into my scalp and my mid strands and the ends of my hair. This pre-shampoo method of hot oil treatment, it really just helps me to retain the moisture and protect my hair before washing. My mom used to give me hot oil treatments back in the day, and I actually just went back to them and they've been working miracles on my hair. I'm going to use the Moroccan oil moisture repair set to wash and shampoo my hair. But I'm going to start off using the Opalex, the moisture mask for my deep conditioner to get my curls really juicy and moisturized. And I'm really going to work this product into the hair with my hands and my fingers first before I go through with the detangling brush. This is a really moisturizing hair mask. This video is not promoted or anything, but I really recommend this mask if you're dealing with dry or brittle hair. Okay, so after I have really worked the product into my hair, like to where it has melted into the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and with my detangling brush and really smooth out the hair and get rid of all of the shed hair that's tangled up within the curly hair. And then I'm gonna go in and add just the regular conditioner from the shampoo set on top of the mask. I used to do this in two different segments. Like I would do the deep conditioner, wash that out, and then put the regular conditioner in, but it's a waste of time. As long as they both really penetrate into the hair, you can put them on top of each other or mix them together. Okay, so after I have let this set in the hair for about 15 minutes, I am going to go ahead and rinse this out and then blow dry and straighten my hair. I have a tutorial on how I straighten my hair on my channel. I'll go ahead that below and you can watch that if you're interested. But after I straightened it, I went ahead and pin curled it for the night, and this is the next morning. So I'm just going to show you how the results look. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.